You know, like I have my screen set red. The product item. Sorry, the product. These are the product page where we access all the products.
Mhm.
You can't hear me.
Okay, I can hear you. I, I just remember that I had some challenges when I was doing mine. I couldn't do this the page that I just designed. I couldn't do it on this same page because I saw a list of very long items on the layers, and it got confusing. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say.
Like this layer was confusing you, right?
No, like this first, like the way your image is now, your screen is now.
Yeah.
The one you brought from FigJam that you designed, the one we designed yesterday, and the one we just designed that we just want to design now. All of them, their details were on the layers, and it was very long that I had to scroll down to pick
Okay.
that of the one that I am designing now. I was designing.
Okay. In my case, right?
You understand my question?
Yeah, I get it. In my own case, I've grouped all these things together. Now, if I come down to the picture
Okay,
and then I paste it, look at Control Z. They
okay.
are all in one file. So here are everything. Can you see that?
Yeah, those ones too were in one file, but they were displaying all together
How do you
like
how,
this. They were like this.
let
They
me
were like this on the layers.
show me.
How do I?
Just show me. Let me stop sharing my screen. Yeah, you can show me your screen here. You can show me yours, please.
Yeah, I'm about to do that. So here, look at this.
Yeah.
So my real design is way below. Like this one is for this.
I know.
Do you get?
I,
Well, so I'm surprised. I expect that it's supposed to be close together, or I don't know how to explain it. I'm sure you understand what I'm saying.
okay. Hello? Are you with me?
Yes, I am.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, I get what you mean. Like everything are all stacked up together and then you can't access them. Is that what you mean?
No, I can access them. Look at when you pasted yours just now.
Yeah.
You can see that it just displayed like something like this.
Yeah.
It was just something like this that was displayed for this particular copy that I made
Okay.
on this page.
Okay.
It's supposed to be just in one file. Then I can click to view us. I don't know how to explain it better.
I get it. I get what you're saying, but however, mine is also displaying the same way you have your own listed individually like this. Let me show you. Just stop sharing your screen so I can show you mine.
Okay,
Mm.
okay.